How to delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp. Hello everyone. If you want to delete someone on WhatsApp, this is the right video for you. Basically, first things first, you want to make sure that your application is up to date. You can do that from the Google Play Store or the App Store. From here, you want to open up the application. Now once inside, you then want to click on your chats right here, and you have to go ahead and block someone. Unfortunately, I will not be clicking on my chat right here because due to personal and security reasons. After blocking someone on WhatsApp, you can just go ahead and navigate through settings, and from here you want to click on privacy. Now inside privacy, you want to scroll down and you want to click on the block contacts button. From here, you can then go ahead and see all of your blocked contacts. If you want to delete your blocked contacts, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on this specific contact right here. And once inside, you then want to click on clear chat. After clearing all the messages on WhatsApp, you can just go ahead and click on the edit button and you want to click on the minus button. And from there, that specific contact will disappear from your WhatsApp profile. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.